How to use a tanning bed at Planet Fitness. I'm going to tell you step by step. First, you'll need a black card membership since the basic plan doesn't include tanning. Once you're in the gym, head over to the front desk and ask staff to unlock a tanning bed or boot for you. They'll give you access and explain the safety rules. Inside, make sure to wear protective goggles. Remove any lotions or perfumes, and set the timer using the control panel. Most Planet Fitness locations limit your sessions to about 10 minutes for safety. Lay down or stand depending on the type of machine. Close it and let the timer run. It will shut off automatically. After your session, wipe down the machine with the provided cleaner and return the goggles if they were borrowed. Keep in mind, Planet Fitness recommends waiting 24 hours before tanning again to avoid skin damage.